Future entrepreneurs, Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome. Today we have made it to June the 13th of 2025, and we are on day number 65 of this My Legion secret system. So it is Friday the 13th. All right. Pretty cool, guys. I wonder if you guys are out there watching scary movies tonight. All right. So we've made it to day number 65, guys, of this challenge. And if you guys have no idea what I'm talking about, okay, we're using one offer from ClickBank, okay, which is a network platform that affiliate marketers go to to promote their offers. And then also we're using a mailing system called My Lead Gen Secret System, okay. This mailing system accumulates 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing, make money online leads every single day, okay. So every day that you come into your back office, you're going to have new leads, and then also every month, it's just going to accumulate to thousands of people. Okay. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret System that these emails, they stick with you. Okay. As long as you pay for the service, they're going to stick with you guys. So we've made it to day number 65 of this challenge. And just want to show you guys how we're looking. Showing that the emails that we sent last night, if we earned any type of income out there or anything, guys. Okay. I'm going to work with you, and show you guys step by step on how to do stuff. And then, like I said, we're just going to pick one offer from ClickBank. We're not going to talk about any other offers. We're just going to talk about that one offer. Okay. So your back office, your My Legion secret back offices look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is obviously is going to be the emails that you are sending out versus what I'm sending out. Okay. And all you would have to do is click on right here where it says select last. What that's going to do is going to move all of these customers over here to the right. That way you can load the portal. And then what we want to do is we want to find an email that we can use for this system. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to mailing system, and then we're going to select all here. Okay, and then we're going to come down, and then now let's take a look here. The company that we're going to be working with is called Social Sales Rep. Okay. And they are pretty good, guys. Okay. They're pretty much, let me go ahead and go to that real quick. Let me pull that up. This social sales rep has tons of different offers that you can use to promote this offer. Okay. They have tons of different emails that'll just, all you got to do is just promote them in certain places. And then that link, once people land on the landing page link, that'll do all the selling and telling for us. So you don't have to do anything after that point. Okay, we have 20 different emails. I think yesterday we started down here. Let's just go ahead and start at 20 again. Okay, let's see here. Okay, let's go ahead and grab that subject line. Control C, come back over here to the mailing system, Control V, right? Super easy to do. Okay, and then you want to come down here. Okay, and then you want to put in the body here. So let's go ahead and do that. All right. Okay, and then let's go ahead and grab this body right here. And then we got that. Let me just make sure I got everything highlighted. Okay, Control C. Come back here to the mailing system and then Control V, right? And looking out for you. Okay, yada yada. And then let's see here. Everything looks good, guys. So all right. All right, let's see. Let's check a couple things here. Okay, let's see. All right, everything looks good there. Okay, let's go back here. All right, and let's go ahead and take out some stuff. Let's take all of this out, guys. Okay, and let's take this out, and then we're just going to take all. As a matter of fact, we're just going to take all this out until it says high name. Okay, now where it says high name, we're going to address our prospect by their first name. Okay, so let's go ahead and go here, Control C. I'm going to come down here, grab this name out of here, and Control V. Okay. And then you're going to have some call to action buttons like hit this link or apply now. Let's go ahead and turn those into clickable links. Okay, so let's just click on the link. Okay, all right, let's see here. Got that. And then once you click on the link, okay, once you highlight this link, we can turn this into a URL. Okay, which is it's a link that will only go to you and something that you've created. Okay. So let's go ahead and do that. So let's go ahead and take this here. Control C, come back over here, Control V. And what you want to do is you want to remember to take out the ClickBank affiliate ID in this email. Okay. If you're watching this email, if you hit me a text or something like that, I'm always willing to help you, but just don't put in my name, put in your name, okay, for the affiliate commission. That way you get to sell, okay? So let's go ahead and Control A. And then we'll want to make this just a little bit bigger. Okay, everything looks good there, guys. And then all we have to do is come down here, either click preview or send now. Okay, most people are going to click on preview so they can preview the ad and make this sure this link works. Okay, because the last thing you want is to send out an email to 100,000 people with a lot of opportunity, and then nobody sees your offer because the link is broken or it's just not going to the website. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen secret system. There is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, guys. So it's very inexpensive for you guys to get started. All right. So I would recommend you guys getting started. If let me show you underneath this video, I did leave a link. Okay, so all you got to do is click that and click on this MLGS True Freedom link with China URL. Okay, and then post that in your browser. It's going to direct you on how to get signed up and all that good stuff. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the mailing system. It's super easy to do. Anybody can do it. Okay. Now, let's go and go over to ClickBank. We did send out an email last night, okay? And I just want to check the results with you guys to see if we earned any commissions or if anything happened since yesterday. All right, so let's go ahead and go to, let's see here, accounts. Okay, let's see here. Just want to make sure I got everything correct here. Okay, so let's go and go to accounts. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. Okay, I'm not really got my head on right today. So let's go ahead and go to reporting. Today's Friday the 13th. We got over the offer that we're promoting is social sales rep. We got over 1,300 hops and 977 unique hops. This is really good. So the traffic is climbing. We got one order from impression, okay, and then one unique order from impression as well. So this is someone that went to the checkout page. They decided to buy for whatever reason or they didn't buy, okay? So unfortunately, we did not get a sale. Okay. Now, if you guys have been following these videos, I've done some videos, faceless YouTube channels that I have out there, and it looks like one of these faceless YouTube videos got a commission today. Okay, was totally unexpected. All right, but as you can see right here, guys, we did get our $20 rebill of our product. Okay, and that could be from last month or a couple months back. Okay, so let's go ahead and check that to see where that came from. So let's go ahead and go to accounts. Let's go ahead and click on your name, your affiliate name. Okay, and then let's go ahead and go over down here. Let's see here. And then let's just click on that and find out where this is coming from. All right. All right. So let's see here. So this particular sale came from a rebill from last month on the 13th of May. All right. So that's what I was telling you guys. You do the work one time and it pays you over and over and over again each and every month. And the whole idea here is to get multiple people signing up. Okay. And then us getting that rebill of $20. Not only do we get the front end commission, we're going to get that residual $20 every single month that they stay with us. Okay. So that's just pretty much it, guys. I wanted to show you where that sale came from. Okay. So let's go ahead and go to the reporting tab. Like I said, we technically did not earn a commission today. Like I said, this is just some video, YouTube and stuff that I do, faceless, where I don't have to be on camera or anything like that. But just wanted to show you the guys. We did not get a sale. We got a sale from one of our other offers, okay, but not from this offer right here, okay. Now the cool thing is that between this, we did get a rebill. We did earn money today, okay, but we didn't get the free sale, the free trial sale, okay, which is no biggie, okay. I'm not gonna hang my head on that because I know that things are looking good, and things are climbing. Things are starting to be more successful, okay. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow at the same time, same place to shoot another video with you. All right, guys. Peace.